Hey, Ford owners, ever noticed a wet spot on the right front floor of your truck or SUV after using the AC? You might not be alone. Let's talk about a known issue and exactly how to fix it. If you've got a 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150 Expedition F Super Duty or a Lincoln Navigator, specifically built between August 31st, 2018 and February 2nd, 2020, listen up. Some of these models have a problem where air conditioning condensation backs up and leaks into the cabin, making your carpet a soggy mess. Not fun. Here's what's really happening. When you run your AC, it cools the air by pulling moisture out, and that moisture normally drains outside the vehicle through a small tube called the evaporator drain. But in these Fords and Lincolns, the drain tube can get partially blocked or isn't routed properly, so instead of letting the water drip safely under your car, it starts to back up. When the condensation can't escape, it builds up inside the evaporator housing. Eventually, the water finds the path of least resistance, right into your passenger side footwell. That's why you'll see wet carpets or even puddles on the floor after using the AC for a while. If this leak goes unchecked, it can do more than just soak your carpet. Over time, the constant moisture can lead to mold and mildew, causing bad smells and even health issues. It can also damage the car's wiring or electronic modules hidden under the carpet, leading to expensive repairs down the road. The good news? Ford knows about this, and there's an official fix. No, it's not a recall, but a real technical service bulletin, TSB 20-2170. The dealership will install a 90-degree elbow, part number 4M2Z6A614AA, on the evaporator drain tube, slap on some heat shield foil tape, and that should send the water where it belongs, outside. Don't have time for the dealer? Folks online say you can grab the elbow part at AutoZone and handle the job yourself. Some owners even trimmed a few ribs off the tube and added extra foil tape or sealant for extra peace of mind. In fact, many owners have shared their experiences on forums and social media. A lot of people recommend the DIY approach, saying it's straightforward and saves a ton of money. Most report that using the elbow part and foil tape works great, and their leaks are gone for good. But some folks do caution to double-check your seal when installing the elbow. A few owners suggest adding extra sealant around the connection just to be sure you won't have to deal with leaks again down the road. So how much will this fix set you back? If you go to the dealership, expect to pay somewhere between $100 and $250 for parts and labor, depending on your location and the shop's rates. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, the elbow part usually costs just $10 to $30, and you can pick it up at most auto parts stores. That's a big savings if you're comfortable tackling the job yourself. But here's the key. This fix is only needed if you're seeing water on the floor. And if your truck was built after February 2nd, 2020, you're all set. Ford fixed it at the factory, so check your carpets. If they're damp, you know what to do. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you want a step-by-step DIY guide. Catch you next time.